Hi, I am Dr. Revath Lakshman. I am a consultant orthopedic, joint replacement and sports injury surgeon at Apollo Spectra, Koramangala, Bangalore. Arthritis is nothing but decrease in the joint space of any joint. Maybe it is knee, maybe it is shoulder, maybe it is hip, maybe it is ankle. If the space between the two bones which constitute the joint decreases, it is termed as arthritis. Now if you can see this knee joint over here, if you take an X-ray of this knee joint, you will find a healthy space between this bone and this bone. That is the space occupied by the meniscus or the cushion, wherein if arthritis has happened, this completely wears off and these bones are literally touching against each other, this bone and this bone. As they will start to rub against each other when we walk and when we run or when we just stand up. So what it will do is, it will damage the cartilage slowly and the patients will develop deformities. So similarly, considering the natural process of this arthritic disease, any joint arthritis is divided into 4 stages. Stage 1 to stage 4. Stage 1 up till stage 3 can be managed very well with lifestyle related changes and exercises, medications and some braces. In some cases, in case of hip, with some stick. In case of ankle, with some brace. In case of knee, some exercises and stretches and lifestyle modification. In case of shoulder, some stretches, manipulation and exercise. Wherein stage 4, since the cartilage is involved and the joint space has critically decreased, the only respite from pain is surgery, wherein either the joint lining has to be changed or the joint alignment has to be changed, creating a gap. In general terms, it will require the change in the lining because the cartilage after rubbing each other has been damaged critically.